Day night.
Next thing I know, I heard another one, then another one, then another one. It's like they were coming from all directions.
Tire marks left behind only tell part of the story.
Young nigga need more Josephine. Don't tell me you love me if you don't mean. My heart's so cold, keep out like Venus.
What the fuck, bro? Instead, man, it's what it is.
Bitch! Oh shit! Y'all know bitch out outside with them hooligans. That little ratchet shit gonna need a fucking friend. Hold up, Brandon, cause I done fucked them all. I say Pokemon, we gotta catch them bitches.
Oh yeah, Chris. Oh yeah, Chris. Oh yeah, Chris. Oh yeah. Hey, put the flash in that bitch.
Yo.
Hey, say niggas ain't never hungry. Oh, yeah, always eating.
Word. I don't give a fuck about
I'm a fiend for that cheese. Tell my pussy, if you ain't a fiend for that cheese, then you gotta leave.
Word. Word, nigga.
Hey, Chris. Hey, Bob. You know what they always tell him, son? If you see a 20, I'm a pussy. Matter of fact, you see a 20 ball, I'm a pussy. If you see a 20 ball, I'm a pussy. If you see a 20, I'm a pussy. Pussy. I'm a pop. I'm a pussy.
I got my father, man, my brother, man, my red deal brother, man. Word, man. Thank you, man. Straight for the mud. Straight for the mud, nigga. Mud brothers, nigga. Straight from the south. You feel me? Hey, Jimmy, come back out.
Fuck no. Come on, bro. I'm rolling up, bro. Chill out. Fuck no. Come on out the B-room, twin. Happy birthday, I'm about to torture you your whole birthday, nigga. I'm about to torture you. It's over with.
You didn't know where to go, Phil.
It's over with. You get it too, nigga. You get it too, nigga. You get it too. Hey, Kai. Hey, Kai. Hey, Kai. Come back. Come back, Kai. Come back, Kai.
Anybody playing music right now?
Hey, boy, chill. Chill, boy. I got one too. Twin, chill. We can both get right there. We can both get waiting in this hole. Huh? Chill.
Wait, nigga, wait.
I call the truth. I call the truth. I call the truth. Please don't get me, boy. Oh, jeez.
Bitch ass nigga.
Yo, what's poppin' with y'all boys? Goddamn 257 Chris back at it again, goddamn. You know, y'all boys stay tuned to goddamn car meet and shit like that. Yo, we about to turn this bitch up tonight. We not even doing nothing, y'all. Like we not even doing that. Look, chat, 12 to pull up and shit like that. But yeah, we're not even doing shit like that. But yeah.
Put me in the vlog. Hey y'all. The fucking police dick you already look at him. Fuck the city.
Like, what the world?
Girl, put me in the vlog. Fuck him.
Why he parked right in front of us though? Like, what the world?
Girl, we're not even doing shit.
And look, he put in LED lights in his car and shit. The car on that side. But yeah, y'all boys just stay tuned on the game. Shit.
Y'all know fuck going on, goddamn. You got
Shit.
How many of us is it?
We about like 6 cars deep.
I'll wait down there.
We start, hold on, we go from goddamn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we 2 deep out there, bitch, on 5. They do it. This bitch not good. Damn.
Well, party over for y'all.
Jimmy, you said
Party
what?
over for them.
Jimmy, what? Oh, shit. Yeah, we about to pull in. We at the,
hurry up and pull in because everybody pulling out.
we at the light. We at the light.
And they so stupid. They all trying to pull out at one time. Knowing that the police gonna follow us. Like,
Yo, vlog was popping with y'all boys. Oh shit.
No, man. We got the bombs.
I done just took that shit out.
We got the bombs out there, man. Y'all see what's going?
Yo.
Yo. Finna
Oh,
set
that's
this
it.
bitch off.
Oh, that's that nigga right there. The yellow one? That's the It's started. Hell yeah. Y'all niggas know what the fuck poppin' with this shit, nigga? Hell yo. Get started. Damn, we can't do this. Damn. The middle?
Yeah, get in the middle, nigga.
Oh shit, nigga.
This shit sound like...
Don't try to do it this way. Why? That bitch sexy though. That bitch sexy. Boy. Hell yeah, that boy, that shit is nice. That bitch. Woo-hoo. That's powerhouse. Watch out. I ain't getting in the middle for shit. Come on! I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
He's like pissed on himself.
Go. When you gonna start?
caught that shot, nigga.
Spin it. Spin it. Hell yeah. Nah, we outside with it. What going on? Hell yeah.
Nigga, what the fuck you doing? Get back in the goddamn pit.
Yo! Woo!
Watch out, watch out! Woo! Boy, good. Oh!
Bitch, I just knew my legs was going just now.
What the fuck going on?
Nah, I think you finna let niggas spin that bitch.
Yo! Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it!
Hold on, Gary.
Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it! Twin!
Oh shit, wait, hold on.
Real deal shit, nigga.
NASCAR pick me.
You just change your tires and shit. Hell yeah, this what car meets all about, nigga. Word. That's how you do. Hey, that's how you do shit, nigga. That's how you do shit out here, fam. Hell yeah. What the fuck, DG? Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out! Watch out! Let's do it! Get out the circle! Hey, run their ass over! Hell no. Run their ass over. Hell no. They ain't responding. Hey, my mama. Run their ass over. Word. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
That shit was a little too close.
Boy, I'm ready to go get in the car. It's cold.
That shit was right there, son. I'm finna top the bunker, but hell.
This shit overly lit, swear.
Yeah.
Real 25 shit, Chris out of it. You know what's going. D25 shit's outside. You know what's popping.
Shake the fuck on. Shake the fuck on.
I'm paid a bit. Yeah, word.
Yeah.
Greg! Yeah, nigga! Oh no, watch out, watch out, watch out, nigga, watch out! Hey, watch out! Hey, watch out, nigga! Nigga, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
In here, bro.
Watch out, watch out,
Oh, we on that, Chris, come on.
Grizz, what's going, nigga? What's going, nigga? Woo! Hell yeah! That's how you do shit,
Free man child, nigga. Way before I had thoughts of being a rapper, I was a glizzy clapper. Free man child, we was double down gents. We the ones known to get out. That one nigga spoke on hit, we was trying to spin. The boy went ghost like Castle. How about the V run down? Thought to me chill like twin, you know you got asthma.